follow-up report naman si Radyo Patrol Arnel Ozaita. Arnel.
Julius, nandito tayo sa loob ng Robinson's Galleria at nagbibigay ng statement si Ms. Rose Tan Villegas, head ng PR ng Robinsons. Pakinggan natin.
There were two men riding in tandem. Okay, ang target nila was Sunray. And there are two security guards and security banks who are wounded.
Bakit po sila na-wounded? Nagdadala ba sila ng pera or magdalabas ng pera?
Ang security bank, they were going to bring money to Sunray.
Paano po pumasok yung mga suspect? Bakit po may baril sila sa loob mismo nitong mga?
I have no information regarding that right now. What I have given to you right now is our official statement.
You meant...
Excuse me, yes, sir? The suspect? Yes, there were two men riding in tandem, and that's the information I have right now.
Ma'am, the mall operation po, kailan po mag-edition?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, sarado po yung mall sa ngayon, ma'am.
The mall will open at 12.
But...
The mall kasi usually opens at 10 o'clock, so wala pa masyadong tao dito. But what we did, kasi may mga empleyado nang pumasok sa tindahan namin, what we did is we secured them, we made sure that they will not go out of their premises. Even our own employees, secure na, para hindi sila ma-harm or anything, no?
Ma'am, yung dalawang suspect ba na nakapasok, nakasombrero po ba, tagupaw ba yung...
I have no idea how they look like. We have not received any report regarding how they look like. Walang sumabog na garada. Hindi yung sumabog na garada. I have no information regarding a sumabog na granada. Outside.
Kahit anong natitira na or nasugatan o kahit sino pa na...
Wala. None. Security back. So then, I don't know if they're called security guards, so, but they are kasama sila sa personnel, security personnel. I have no idea. I have no official statement regarding that.
Arnel.
May nakuha po bang pera?
You will have to check with security bank about that kasi it's their money.
Ma'am, may lapis po ba naman?
Yes, Julius.
Arnel, may, ang hinold up ba security bank?
Hindi, Julius. Ang hinold up ay tauhan nitong Sunray money changer.
Okay.
At yung security guard, dalawang security guard daw ang sugatan.
Security guard. Okay.
Yes.
Pero,
pakinggan pa natin.
Are armed. So they forcibly entered our mall.
Ma'am, yung forcibly.
If we will have changes, we will. I think our security measures are very strong right now. The response team was very quick. In a matter of 15 minutes, we were able to respond to the scene, and we even got the cooperation from the Quezon City Police District and Eastern Police District. We were able to get. We're very thankful to them. We're very grateful to them for their cooperation. Even MMDA was here at Kaagad, to respond to us. They brought the two guards to the hospital, Medical City.
Ma'am, doon sa forcibly entered yung dalawang suspect. Ibig ba sabihin nito, ma'am, antimano, pagpasok ng dalawang suspect, tinakang agad nila yung dalawang security guard?
Yes. Possibly may talagang possibly ang pagpasok nila.
Ma'am, yung assistance po natin dun sa mga biktima po na nabaril po dito sa incident ito.
The assistance will have to come from security bank because they are security personnel of the security bank.
Yes, Julius, yun ngang dalawang security guard na sugatan ay dinala na sa ospital at patuloy pa rin na ginagamot doon. At hindi pa natin hindi pa malaman. Yes, Julius.
Ang issue kasi dito, 'di ba, alam naman natin na dapat mahigpit yung security sa mga mall. Sa pagpasok pala ng mga tao, dapat kinakapkapan, 'di ba? Anong dahilan na kung paano nakapasok yung mga armadong lalaki, Arnel?
Tanungin natin Julius.
Nino.
Ng Robinsons Mall.
We have in that area, we have 4 security guards on duty. Remember, the mall is not yet open. I mean, mag-o-open pa lang, 10 o'clock. It's about to open, 10 o'clock.
Ma'am, am I correct in assuming na yung tinarget nila na location ay malapit lamang doon sa entrance ng mall?
It's one level up.
So, pumasok po sila forcibly tapos bumaba pa ng isang level?
No. They went up forcibly. Forcibly.
Pumasok po forcibly tapos umakyat pa
that's upper level eh. Upper level. So, of course, akyat.
Ma'am, last na lang, meron po bang pagkukulang yung Philippine National Police para gwardiyan po itong area kapag...
No. As I mentioned earlier, they were here kaagad. Within 15 minutes, everybody was here to assist us coming from
Okay.
Quezon City Police
Arnel?
District.
Yes,
Okay.
Julius.
So, ang sinasabi niya, forcible yung entry. Kumbaga, puwersahan na pinasok yung mall.
Tama, Julius.
Oo.
Kasi sabi nga nitong si Miss Villegas, ay sarado pa ang mall nung nangyari nga yung insidente. Kaya pinilit lang na pumasok nito ang mga armadong kalalakihan na nang hold up nga dito sa money changer. At ngayon ay patuloy pa rin na pagbibigay niya ng ibang detalye dito sa mga media na nandito sa loob ng Robinson's Hotel para ma-update lahat yung mga tao, lalo na yung mga occupant ng Robinson's Mall na kasalukuyang inimbestigahan pa rin ng Quezon City Police, kasama na rin ang Eastern Police District. Ito, Radyo Patrol, Arnel Osaite, ABS-CBN, DZMM.